Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, back in the kitchen again. Guys, today I'm in the kitchen making some stir fry cabbage. It's full of flavor, it's delicious, it tastes really good guys. You're gonna love it guys. Your kids gonna love it, your wife, your husband gonna love it guys. So without further ado, let's get in the video. So what I'm doing now guys, I always wash my vegetable with my vinegar water. Soak them in the vinegar water for 5 minutes. So what I'm doing now, I'm just cutting up my cabbage. And guys, you can definitely cut up your cabbage any size you want, but I prefer cut up my cabbage just like this. Okay guys? You have my onion. So I put on my Dutch pot, so it's hot, so I'm gonna pour a little bit of olive oil in there. Oil is hot, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put in my garlic, my scallion, onion, peppers. I'm gonna put in my scotch bonnet pepper last. I'm gonna add in my cabbage now. I'm gonna add in a little bit of butter, just this, for flavor. I'm gonna add in some Italian seasoning blend. I'm gonna add in some Lawry seasoned salt. I'm gonna mix everything together. make sure you have your stove on low heat. Okay guys, you don't want your cabbage to burn and it don't steam properly. So what I'm going to do now, just going to put in a little bit of water, about two tablespoons of water. So I have my stove on low heat now. So what I'm going to do now is to just cover this and let it steam for 7 to 9 minutes. Okay guys? Remember, turn on the stove because we're not going to put no more water in this cabbage. Okay? Like this guys. So beautiful this look. I mean, know it's full of flavor. See that? Yeah, see the gravy? This is the gravy. Yeah. So this is it guys, and 7 minutes later, this is how it stays. So what I'm going to do now is to just turn off the stove, and that's it. My Jamaican fry up cabbage with my vegetable guys. It is so good. This is a must try, full of flavor. Let me taste it. I'm gonna taste it. What I'm gonna do now, just gonna give it a taste. It tastes so good guys. See the little bit of pepper I'm putting there, and the pepper, oh god, pepper going with a lot of things. It tastes good guys, full of flavor. You're gonna love it. Just try this recipe and tell me all about it guys in the description, in the comment box, my guys. I know you're gonna love it. Look at this, my Jamaican fry up cabbage. You can have this right through the week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You can have this right through the week. You can have it for your kids them. Your kids them gonna love it because it's full of flavor and it tastes really good guys, and I have a vegetable them in there guys, so they're gonna love it. You can try it guys and tell me all about it. Okay?